Hello, traders and investors. This is a Bitcoin technical analysis video. Big picture, you already know my opinion that Bitcoin is in a correction, and this correction will likely result in lower prices. My target currently is at 55K, maybe even lower, and it's going to be a slow process which will probably take us to September or maybe even October of 2024. By then, I think we will make a sustainable bottom. However, price doesn't move in a straight line, not to the up and not to the downside, and therefore I am expecting a bounce. Now, where will this bounce be? My sweet spot, the level I'm looking at, is 61.5. Why? Because 61.5 is a convergence of several factors. First, we have this demand zone on the daily time frame with the proximal line at 63, let's say 63.5, the distal line at 61. We have the 20-week EMA at 61.5, and we have this long-standing trend line, which I will show in a moment. I think the convergence of these factors will arrest the downward momentum. And not I'm not talking about a reversal, I'm talking about a trade which will take Bitcoin to make a lower high, probably at 67.3, and from there we will continue moving lower. Now, this trend line is special because it is a long standing trend line. Resistance on April of 2023, resistance again in January of 2024, flipped to support on February of 2024, and acted as support again on May 2024. This one is now a support trend line, and therefore I think it will do the job and it will give us a bounce to 67.3. Now, what to do if your system doesn't allow you to trade both sides? If you're not hedging, then if I wasn't hedging, what I would do is I wouldn't take this trade. I would simply take some profit at 63.5 and add to my position at the coming lower high. But if you are trading both ways, if you are going long and short simultaneously, I think it's a worthwhile trade. However, I am not talking about a limit order. I will be watching this trend line. I will be watching this level. And if it will give us a bounce, then I will take the trade as a short term trade, not a day trade. It will probably be a swing trade. It will probably take us a few days. And I'm expecting 67.3 or so. Why? Because of the 50-day EMA. Let me find the 50-day EMA. Where is the 50? The 50-day EMA is at around 67.3. And yeah, currently it's at 66.8. And this is more or less where I think Bitcoin will hit and reverse to the downside again. Overall, you need to be strategic. It's the summer. The summer is coming. The summer is very slow price action usually, and therefore I don't expect uh, a lot of movement in the market. And if you are um, strategic, then maybe the best thing to do is just hold your position and slowly reduce it as the price is moving your way and not to trade too much. If you are doing this for a living, then 61.5 is the level you should be looking for. This is my opinion on Bitcoin. I hope it helps you, and I will see you in the next video.